Hey everyone, I am Vaishali. Welcome to Engineers Class 202. In this lecture, we are going to learn chapter 2nd of Mathematics, which is matrices. In 11th Science, you have studied about matrices and its operations, addition, subtraction. In this lecture, we are going to learn about elementary transformation of matrices. So first, let's take a look on definition of matrix. What is matrix? So a matrix of order m by m is a square arrangement of m square elements. That is, for example, if here is a matrix A which is equal to matrix of elements A, B, C, D. That is, here this is row 1 and row 2, and this is vertically it is column 1 and column 2. That is, here 2 row and 2 columns. That is, A is a square matrix of 2 square elements. That is 2 square which is equal to 4. Means here A is square arrangement of 4 elements, and it is also denoted as A22. That is 2 row and 2 columns. That is, A is a matrix of 2 rows and 2 columns. If we consider another matrix which is order of 3 or 3 by 3, then how many elements present in this matrix? So consider a matrix B333. B33, that is 3 row and 3 columns, and here elements are m square, that means 3 square means 9 elements. So 9 elements are present in this matrix in 3 rows and 3 columns. Suppose x, y, z, a, b, c, e, f, g. So 9 elements are present in square matrix of order 3, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. Here horizontal elements in horizontal lines are known as row. So here row 1, this is row 2nd, and this is row 3rd. If we consider column, vertical elements in a line are known as column. So here first column, that is C1, here second column C2, and here third column C3. Rows are presented by R, capital R, and columns are represented by C, capital C. So this is a matrix. Matrix is a square arrangement of elements of order m square. So let's start our next point, elementary transformation. What is elementary transformation? There are 6 operations, 3 due to row and 3 due to column, which are known as elementary transformation. So first transformation is interchange of any rows or any 2 columns. If we interchange ith row and jth row, then there is a new matrix, and symbolically it is denoted as Ri to Rj. Here double arrow is given, Ri to Rj or Rj to Ri, or it is also denoted as Rij. Means we have to transform ith row to jth row and jth row to ith row, or it is written as Rij. For example, here matrix A is given, which is element here 4 elements are arranged in square 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 2 rows and 2 columns. This is first row R1 and this is second row R2. So if we transform here row 1 to row 2 or row 2 to row 1, which is given as R1 to R2, or R2 is interchanged by R1. That is, we have to interchange row 1 to row 2 and row 2 to row 1. It is also denoted by R12. which means we have to interchange row 2 to row 1 and row 1 to row 2. So here row 1 is 1 2, so we have to write this row 1 instead of row 2, that means here, and R2 instead of R1, row 1, that is 3 4 is here, and 1 2 is in second row. Means in A matrix R1 1 2, and here it becomes R2, and in A R2 means 3 4. In this transformation it becomes R1. So there is simple operation. Instead of R2 we have write R1, and instead of R1 we have to write R2. Let's consider another example of order 3. Means here 9 elements. B is equal to x, y, z, R, B, M, V, W, P. And our operation is R2 to R3. We have to interchange row 3 to row 2 to row 3 and row 3 to row 2. So here R1, R2, R3 means we have to write R2 instead of R3 and R3 instead of R2. R1 is as it is. So new matrix is, this is equal to x, y, z as it is row first. We have to only change row 2 and row 3. So row 3 is here VWP, VWP, and row 2 is here RBM. Here row 2 and here row 3. That is row 2 is interchanged in place of row 3 and row 3 is interchanged in place of row 2. So this operation is known as interchange of rows. Okay, note here in previous example A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and R1 to R2 is our operation or interchange of rows. So we get new matrix. A is 3 4 and 1 2, that is row 2 is interchanged by row 1 and row 1 is interchanged by row 2. Note that here A is not equal to 3 4 1 2, but we write A and this sign 3 4 1 2. So this is indicated by this symbol. A is equivalent to 3 4 1 2 and this symbol is read as equivalent to, means A is not equal to this matrix, but A is equivalent to 3 4 1 2, this matrix. So in this example we have studied about interchange of row. Similarly we can do next operation about columns, similar transformation. So here CK to CI means interchange kth column to ith column, or it is denoted as CKI, means interchange k and ith column. So here similar example we have to taken A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and given operation is C1 to C2, means we have to interchange column C1 to C2 and C2 to C1. So here this is first column 1 3 and 2 4, this is second column, column 1 column 2, means write C2 here and C1 here. So what is C2? 2 4. So write it in place of C1 2 4 and first column 1 3, write it in column 2, that is C2 here 1 3. So C1 to C2 is 2 1 4 3. Similarly next example is B is equal to 3 by 3 matrix and the given operation is C1 to C2, means C1 C2 C3. we have to interchange C2 and C1. Write element of C1 in place of C2 and element of C2 in place of C1. So B is not equal to, here we have to write equivalent. So B is equivalent to C1 to C2 and C2 to C1, means B, Y, B. These elements are here, B, Y, B. C2 in place of C1 and C1 elements of C1 in place of C2. A, X, R. A, X, R. And third column as it is, C, Z, M. This is our new transformation or new matrix. We done here C1 to C2, means interchange column 1 to column 2 and column 2 to column 1. Okay, this is everything for today. If you like this video, share, comment and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.